Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know, the Dan is back in the building. And you see what we are dealing with today, man. Yo, I don't want to get too excited. I don't want to get too happy, gang. But you see from the title what we deal with today, man. Looks like we might have another clash on our hands, you know. You see me, we might see another clash before the year even done, before the summer even done, man. You see me, we need a clash of nice of a place. You see me, I say, yeah, man. If you know lately, I've been reacting to a lot of squash, a lot of SKENG. You see me, I say, and I've been listening to a lot of squash, and I say, yo, we wonder, you know, when we might talk from we know say yo, it didn't drop everybody kind of idea say a SKENG must talk. You see me, and the dog drop big breeze, and we wonder, yo, who we dog talk on one day? You see me, I say. Now apparently yesterday about 21 hours ago, this audio was leaked. You see me? A song was leaked by Squash. This one entitled GPS, and it turns out that's what they say, and everybody's saying it was a SKENG DISS. You see me? I say so. I will check it out and see. You don't know me if I forget if it's the Dan Mafia family. You see me? Yeah, man. So we're gonna react to this. It's an unreleased Squash. This is a SKENG DISS. You see me? I say everybody are talking about it on social media, so we have to check it out and see what I go on. You see me? Not go the vibes much longer, man. Yo. I worried a nice place. Let me know if you want to see a Squash and a SKENG one in the comment section. You see me? I say go check it out right now. Squash, GPS, Unreleased. Let's get it, gang.
I'm pussy, I get my curb from all the end of that.
Okay, alright. Like the ominous piano. Man say they might get him corrupt from what day, yeah. How we dog attack, man? Come on, Squash.
Man, a good intention in a bad man. Just dead people, man, I say, I heard.
Man say, no good intentions. Just dead people, man say, yo, come here.
Pussy on not a brave. Blood a leak like pan-a-pain. 6 pants chaka face. Stepping on your place, not a yes. Boy, your feet run like bull, panning track a race.
Ooh, man say, yo, it's not a 6 pants chaka face, yo. Man, yo, come in, man, yo, come in.
When the Uzi guys get a grain, let boy body panel and where the hagger race. Anyway, the men's have them, I get a bag of play. That a
boy body in a land, they hagger race, yo. I want to man.
Boy, I run up the mouth, he say a chatting. While the man clapping, Celtic fire rapping.
Ooh, man, tearing up your mouth, dog. You feel a chattings? Holy man clapping, brother. Rapping.
Boy, run up your mouth. He say a chattings. Holy man clapping,
yo.
Celtic fire rapping.
Man say, holy man what? Clapping, they can clap the dog. Come in.
No fear that boy, you see I push them then. Celtic that I push them well. Head full of lead, run a bass bang shell. Teach them a
Clive, no afraid that boy I push them there, dog. Celtic I push them. Hey, come here.
Lesson them behave themselves. You've heard when he escape fire, brother be a boy dead. Dwell in the darkness, raised in a hell. Program a run couldn't.
I'm saying dwell in the darkness and he raised in a. Hey, yo, whoa.
No one couldn't tell. Bobby bossy blackout, pussy ears, bella ring, gala scream and a ball, man a tear down his zinc. Couldn't badness, Lily man know where you link.
Say all Bobby, man, make him a send come bomba, bossy blackout, yo. Boy, have ball, yes, a ring when gunshot up. Hey, you can't have ball, but gunshot a beat, you can't have ball for your ears, brother.
Them boy, they no bother just from them a drink. 2 killer walk up, headshot, ground you sink. Me no grin, me no laugh, me no fear, not a thing. Me no join the chatting, GPS a tracking. Right at this.
Me no laugh, me no fear, not a thing, brother. I'm to your dog, GPS, me have a track you in a BG. And I'm going like your heart to find dog. GPS, man, saying.
Top light and a kins a clapping. Wet him up. Somebody will call him to take him up, roll him over, shot him again, suck your mother.
You man, say shot. Take him up, roll up. Hey, come in, man. I do that like a little boy SKENG.
Nakins are clapping. Wet him up. Somebody will call him to take him up, roll him over, shot him again, suck your mother. You like in the beer chattings up.
Buck, man, say somebody take him up, roll him over again and shot him again, brother. Wet him up so they can't take him up, brother. You see, we just roll him over again and shot him again, brother. What up to you, man?
Tell us something, let me catch your pussy, I'm rolling up. Somebody come take him up, watch it, let me roll him over and shot him again. Me kill a kick him in him throat and search him pocket. Just a bills in him pocket with a bag of Mali.
Me kill a turn him over and search him pocket. We don't find our bills and that's a bag of Mali, dog. Damn, I definitely SKENG, you dog, I should throw word for you. You see me, because you don't know SKENG alone really Talk about Mali like that, isn't
Him
it?
with the shotty. Me shoot black through in damn bus boy eyeball. But from day one man to the year one. Chip chopper Satan fear shot.
Showing a boss boy eyeball, bro. Walk with the year one chip. And year one, brother. Here, man, come in.
Tall pussy can shot 6 bars so no hear wrong. Me butcher boy and dress up in a apron. Pussy where you switch link and one shake hand. Me no wait long fire time.
You say butcher boy and just up in a apron and that you ask, eh?
Butcher boy and dress up in a apron. Pussy where you switch link and one shake hand. Me no wait long fire touch kill it pagan. No for
Say yo, pussy we a switch link. I want shake land. You see me? Me no wait too long, you see me? Me no wait too long for put fire upon the pagan, brother, but I mistake switch flip floppy out them. I want say man and the man, you see me? No play up people
with the 6 nation. Why run up your mouth? Feel say you're chatting. All the man clapping. Celtic fire rapid. Why run up your mouth?
Blood out.
Feel say you're chatting. All the man clapping. Celtic fire rapid.
Yeah, man. Damn, this is a leak audio. Why Squash never dropped this officially, man? Why Squash never dropped this officially? Oh, bad, this is bad, me not lie. With a life, you see the warrior still, you know, between Squash and SKENG. You see me answer? Lyrically, of course. You see me? Because I think it was them skill enough if we go on back and forth with lyrics and things. You see me? I think their war would be very entertaining. You see me answer? I think this war is like the underdog war that people wouldn't cause Squash creative, no? Squash can jog on a war and give some, you see me? Joseph SKENG can give some bad man tune, but can he step up to the player? You see me? I say, but yeah, man, SKENG, you on the clock, my G. You on the clock, you gotta reply. Leak or not, bro, you gotta reply, my G. You on the clock, we waiting on your response, my G. You see me? I say, yeah, man, let me know, you see me? But people, let me know what y'all think about this one. You see me? I say, yo, you think Squash and SKENG would be a lit clash? You see me? I say, do you think there will be a lit clash? Do you have the creativity, the style, the lyrics, and everything to carry a good clash and give Jamaican dancehall a good show? Let me know in the comment section. You see me? I say, yeah, man. I for one, I think this work could be very entertaining. You see me? I say, for real. Squash got lyrics and Squash very creative, you know. And SKENG got bad man tune. You see me? I say, and he got him fan base, and both people got them fan base. You see me? I say, yeah, man. That'll be late, man. Once we are going, but Squash, you must Squash SKENG, you're on the clock. Squash just bust off your head, dog. You see me? I don't know, man. Hold on and clap you a while ago, bro. So what you do? You want to name GPS come like your dog have a location in a SKENG. You see me? Man, run your file program, go on. You see me? I say, but gang, I know what I want. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Drop your comments in the comment section. Drop your requests, all that good stuff. You already know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. I'm also going live later, so look out for that. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And you already know. You see me? The dog is.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.